Quite a tricky question. It says that we've got this this random variable x binomial distribution where n is 21 and we don't know what p is. It says that the probability that x equals 10 is the same as the probability that x equals 9. So if we work out what equation we would do if x was equal to 10, and the same for 9, and then make them equal to each other, so it would be 21c10, 10 successes, 11 losses, and that's going to be, we're going to make that equal to 21c9, 9 successes, and this time we're going to have 12 losses. So we need to make them equal. I've used q to be a failure. You might use 1 minus p. It's not going to matter. I'm probably going to turn it into p's late. In fact, I'll turn it into p's now so that we've only got one variable. 21c10 is a big number, but don't worry because it will cancel down loads in a minute. Times p to the power of 10 times 1 minus p, I'll write, to the power of 11 is equal to 21c9, which is 293930 times p to the power of 9 and 1 minus p to the power of 12. So we've got to work out p. I'm going to straight away divide 352,716 by the 293930. So I'm going to move this to the other side by dividing by it. And I've picked to divide it by it because it's the smaller number. Which gives me 1.2. I'm also going to divide both sides by p to the power of 9. So again, it will disappear from here, and I'm going to have p to the power of 10 over p to the power of 9, which will cancel down to just p. And that's as much as I'm going to do for now. And then I'll talk you through the next bit. Because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to divide by the left-hand side bracket to keep the powers positive. So if I now divide by 1 minus p to the power of 11, it's going to disappear from here. It's going to reappear down here, and it's going to, because they again differ by a power of 1, we're going to end up with 1 minus p on this side. So we've got 1.2p equals 1 minus p. How do we solve that? If I add p to both sides, I'm going to get 2.2p is equal to 1. And if I divide by 2.2, I will get p. So p is equal to 1 over 2.2, which is 5/11. if you want to write it as a decimal, that's 0.455 to 3 significant figures.